I just want to make something easy and delicious that I can drink on a fire escape. Sunday Sherry Cobbs. And that's what's up. Creep on my neighbors. Their backyard is very nice. You know? We never come out here. Just talking. It's a good weekend, so I wanted a drink to represent the weekend. You know? Man, nobody's answering. Anyway, Sherry Cobbler. Overall definition, you know, just a little scoop du jour before we get into the cocktail that I'll be making today. Sherry Cobbler, super basic, usually just a little simple syrup, sherry, a fuck ton of fruit. Like that, it's that easy. But cobblers in general are just known for being served in a goblet or a highball glass with crushed ice, a straw, mint sprig, powdered sugar. It's just meant to be like a full-blown patio pounder. You know what you want to do on these 96-degree days. Just easy breezy. So then that brings me to the Pink Cobbler. Pretty in pink. Sipping in pink. Oh, that's cute. All right. Making it. Yo, Pink Cobbler ingredient list. Let's go. Simple syrup. 2-to-1 ratio. Go 2 parts granulated sugar, 1 part water. Sometimes some bougie Saratoga water if I'm feeling really wealthy. Anyway, just kidding. Oh, my pink juice. Yo, this is all the magical juice in one. Watermelon juice, grapefruit for a little acidity, and straws for a little extra natural sugar. It's lovely. I juiced it this morning. It smells so good. Yo, Aperol. The ultimate OG Italian aperitif. Sheer magic. Pop that in the spritz today. It's going in my pink cobs. A little rhubarb, gentian, whatever. Amontillado Sherry. This is my girl. You know, I love her. Base spirit. Sherry's the best. Fortified wine. This one's just going to be a bit nuttier. Just more flavor, honestly. It really pairs well with all the shit I got going on. It's going to be dope. Ingredients. Boop. Alright, cool. Yeah, Pink Cobbler. What's happening now? Alright, so for the most part, I am still going to do my cheapest ingredients. Usually I would do juice first, but this pink juice is expensive. It's a lot of nice fruit. Yeah, so I'm going to go simple first just because I can make this whenever, wherever. This is my house, you know. Alright, so we're going 1/2 ounce of the simple syrup. So I'll scoot this so you can see I'm building my baby tin as per usual. Pop the cap. Alright, just because this juice is so fresh, literally this morning, I'm going to do 1 ounce. It's also just so magical. And if you just want to drink it later, just let me know. Because it's delish, girl. Oh, hello. It's fine. I live here. It's okay. Alright. Go in 1/2 ounce of Aperol. We don't want to do too much more than that. This shit's powerful. Alright. Yo. Last but not least in the build order, sherry. Highly recommend just drinking this on its own, but you should obviously experience it in the cobs first. Put it here. Alright. I'm going to pop these in the sink because I can. Because I live here, and that's lit. Oh wow, I made a mess. You know, when we're outside usually, it just doesn't matter. There's no consequences. But here everything's fucking clean and shit. Alright, anyway. Time to shake. So, I'm not going to shake too long with this because this cocktail's going to go on cracked ice. You know, I love my cracked ice. No dirty dump this time. Sorry, calendar. Or count, whatever Bri did. But I'm going to get my glass, fill her up with some ice, get some ice from my tin, the whole sheboing. Alright, this is the Cobb's glass. Gotta go goblet. It's too nice not to do. Ooh. Little bread pan. Oh yeah. Alright, I iced my small tin. Gonna cover this real quick. You know, do my ghetto ice scoop. You know, there's always gonna be some loud sound in the videos, outside or not. Very cool. Keep it here just in case. So you know the drill. Straight back, lean back.
Lean back.
Gonna creep on my neighbors. So nice, I'm home. Just cold enough. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. I am still gonna double strain it, just because strawberries are mad pulpy. So is grapefruit. So I just want to make sure it's not gonna be chunking up my straw, you know. Sink. It's nice being home, you know. Alright, I'll pop a couple more icy boys in there. You know, want this thing to last. I got my straw, made for sipping. And then, so the garnish, you could do more fruit, but honestly, I'm just gonna do some mint. Just shows how fresh this shit is. You know, I already separated my mint leaves. It's looking gorge. Pop it in. Oh, it's so nice. A little bouquet. And then to keep it super traditional, a little powdered sugar. I've got oh, it's so cute. Looks like Christmas. That's it. It's a banger. Yeah, a little cutie. It's good. It just tastes like watermelon and sherry. Ian, would you like to try? He lives here, so you know he's going to be around. It's very good. All right. This apartment is not that big, so I'll see you later. So good, you know? I guess, just to be real, I came up with this drink today. But I think that's a beautiful thing, because it's like, yo, the shit is just easy if you just, like, use what you've got, you know? Popped in the fridge, saw that watermelon, it's like, why would I not use something so beautiful and so ripe and juicy? You know what I'm saying? And we've got mad sherry in our household. Ian's always making cool, random shit for us, but, you know, we never have enough citrus to, like, really get after it, and so the sherry cobbler is just, like, a cocktail, like, I learned about. Just like a fun option, just kind of like fuck around with random stuff. But I personally love sherry. The cobbler's beautiful. This is actually the first cocktail I got when I went to a cocktail bar when I moved to Brooklyn. And it was just so pretty, and I loved all the fruit. And I was just kind of like, ugh, are these all the things like people would make fun of me for liking? But that's really stupid, because this drink is very, very classy. It's very delicious. It takes hard work to make a beautiful thing. You know what I mean? But it tastes so effortless. Right, where, guys, I hope you like what you see. Just kidding. The cocktails, I hope you're enjoying the cocktails we're making. For reals, if you have any suggestions, you want to see some other shit, drop a hint. Give me more than a hint. Write a fucking paragraph, to-do list, be like, I would like to see this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Please comment, like, subscribe. We're just trying to do a fun thing. Use our time a bit more wisely. And then pass the time drinking sherry cobblers, pink cobblers. And that's it. That's the spirit. Boop.